How to add custom JavaScript and CSS to your Generatepress website. I'm going to show you two methods. The first one will require Generatepress Premium, as we'll be using some of the premium features, but I will show you a free alternative. So for this website here, I'm just going to add some simple CSS and JavaScript to add a fade in effect when I load a web page. So for this, we're going to need to use Generatepress elements. If we come into the back end, and I've got Generatepress Premium installed, hover over appearance and click elements, and I'm using a pre-built website from the Generatepress site library, so there's already some elements been added, but I'm going to add a new one. So add new element up the top, and for this is going to be a hook, because this is just going to be a block of code that we execute whenever we desire it. So let's select hook and create, and in here up the top we can add a title. So I'll call it, nice and simple, fade in effect. Next you'll have the area where you can put your code, and I've got some code here that I'll copy in, and I'll also put that in the description just in case you want to try this out. So I've added in here my CSS and I've added a script. Now down the bottom we'll see some settings. So hook here, this is where you're going to tell Generatepress where to load in this hook. So because it's got a script attached, I'm going to choose to do it in the footer. I want it loading after everything else. We can ignore everything else in here for now. The next thing we're going to want to make sure we declare is in the display rules. So here we can choose where we want this code to be executed. So I could just do it for blogs. I could just do it for a 404 template. For now though, I'm just going to select entire site, and then I can come over to the right hand side and click publish. Now if I come back into my home page and refresh, you can see that nice wee effect taking place. However, let's just say I don't have Generatepress Premium. I'm going to deactivate Generatepress Premium here, and we'll come back to the home page and I'll show you that that code no longer works. If you come in to add a new plugin and you search for simple custom CSS and JavaScript, we can install this, and once it's activated we can come over to the left hand side and just go to all custom code. Now we can add some custom code, and we can split it out into its own CSS and JavaScript. That's probably something you want to do. For simplicity of this video, I'm just going to add a new HTML code, and I'm just going to do the same that I did previously. Just going to take that style and the script and add it into this new HTML code. So I've just called the script the same thing again, fade in effect, and everything else here is fine. We can keep that loading on the header. We'll save it, and then if we come into the front end and reload the page, we can see that nice wee effect taking place again. So I hope that helped. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.